This is going to be a massive week for cryptocurrency and the overall markets at large. We're going to talk about a number of key events this week that could impact crypto. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe down below. Many events that we have to get to here this week. We're going to have a close eye on all of these and save the dates because some big things coming this week. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive right in here. And oops, disappeared there on you. All right, we're back. All right, so here we go. Recently, this is one thing I want to address real quick. So CZ recently from Binance announced that Binance will begin selling off its FTT tokens. That is the native token to FTX. Now, there have been reports surfacing that FTX's books are in trouble, meaning the company FTX is in trouble. Even though FTX and Alameda have denied the rumors, a lot of selling pressure is currently building on FTT token. According to some analysts, this quote-unquote FUD could have a significant impact on the markets. As of press time, Bitcoin has broken below the $21,000 mark, a mark which was crossed over last Friday and has been crossed for the first time since mid-September. So that is something we're going to have to watch play out this week. Now, moving forward, midterm elections. Tuesday, tomorrow, the midterm elections will take place in the United States, deciding how Congress will be composed very soon. As Bloomberg reports, the stakes are extremely high this go around for the Bitcoin and crypto community. Many of the experts out there believe the debate could drag into 2023 in terms of regulation unless a crypto bill is attached to a government funding package or another bill that absolutely must pass. That makes the midterm elections even more important this go around. Now, many people do believe that given the current predictions that forecast the Republicans taking both the House and the Senate, this could be a benefit to the crypto industry. Now, in Cynthia Lummis's and Tom Emmer, Republicans provide two of the crypto industry's biggest supporters. Of course, we know how Cynthia Lummis feels about Bitcoin. Bloomberg also estimates this. A Republican-controlled Congress would also likely put pressure on agencies like the SEC, which the industry has charged with regulating through enforcement to ease their aggressive posture against crypto firms. We've seen Cynthia Lummis say this before. Let's take a more measured approach rather than this regulate through enforcement, right? Now, the other thing we've got to keep an eye on this Thursday, CPI data is released on Thursday. Like I said, a lot of things happening here this week. Okay, so we've got to be locked in. Now, whether there's a positive impact on the market in the short term remains to be seen. Instead, all eyes are likely to be on the CPI data release on Thursday, November 10th. If inflation comes in higher than expected, the markets could react with a little bit of a sell-off. Conversely, if we see a significant drop in inflation, the start of the new recovery rally could be triggered in anticipation of a slowing pace of rate hikes by the Fed. Even more important than CPI could be the core CPI, which again measures the change in cost of goods and services, keeping food and energy sectors out of the equation. If the CPI falls for the first time, core CPI that is, if it falls for the first time after a 3-month rise in producer prices, PPI also falls. When we get that data 8 days from now on November 15th, this could be a really powerful bullish sign for the markets. Now, in previous crises, such as the 70s, 80s, and 2008, the PPI was always a leading indicator of flattening inflation, which ultimately led to the Fed's pivot on interest rates. So core CPI coming out on November 15th, a little over a week away, about 8 days away. So a lot of things happening here in November. We've got just a ton of things to keep our eyes on. Hopefully this helps you, gives you a perspective. The macroeconomic factors right now at play are playing a huge, huge role on overall markets and the crypto market. So we've got to be locked into these events. We'll keep you posted this week as we roll along. And welcome into Monday. New start to the week, new opportunities out there. Excuse me. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit the like button on your way out. Subscribe as well. And we'll talk in the next video. Bye.